Hi, hello, good morning students. Welcome back to physics class. Now in this class we are going to discuss about some numerical problems on chapter wave optics. So this is your first problem. In a double slit experiment, the distance of the screen from the slit is 1 meter and the distance between the slits is 1 millimeter. If the third dark fringe is formed at a distance 1.5 millimeter from the central point on the screen. Calculate the wavelength of light used. Solution given. So here solution given in a double slit experiment, the distance of the screen from the slit is ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿ is equal to 1 meter and the distance between the slits ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ d is equal to 1 millimeter. So that is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Clear? So millimeter ಇಂದ meter convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So if the third dark fringe is formed at a distance 1.5 millimeter from the central point on the screen, means x is equal to 1.5 millimeter. So that is equal to 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1.5 millimeter ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ 1.5 ಇಂಟು 10 power minus 3 meter. Clear? Then calculate the wavelength of light used. Means lambda is equal to question mark. So this is your given data. Now we know that expression for distance from the central fringe to the third fringe is x is equal to 2n minus 1 of lambda d divided by 2d. Clear? So this is your formula. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಿಂದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಏನು ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ 2n minus 1 of lambda d divided by 2d. Clear? Now substituting this data from this equation, so x is nothing but 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to, so here 2 into n value, so here n value becomes third fringe, n is equal to 3 minus 1 of lambda into d value 1 by small d value 2 into small d value 1 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? Then for cross multiplication, so here 1.5 into 10 power minus 3 into, so 2 into 1 becomes 2 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to, so here 2 3s 6 minus 1 becomes 5. 3 2s ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 6 ಇಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ 1ನ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5 ಇಂಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು 1 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಕಂಡುಬೇಕು ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಸೊ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1.5 ಇಂಟು 2 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 3 into bases are same, add the powers, minus 3 becomes minus 6 by 5. Clear? 1.5 ಜೊತೆ 2ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆನೂ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಪವರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೈ ಏನು ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ 5. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ 3 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 0.6 ಇಂಟು 10 ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 6. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ 3 ಜೊತೆ 5ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 0.6 into 10 power minus 6. Clear? Then lambda is equal to 0.6 micrometer. So this is our answer. Clear? Wavelength of light used is lambda is equal to 0.6 into 10 power minus 6 meter, or lambda is equal to 0.6 micrometer. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about second problem. So this is your second problem. Calculate the distance between 15th and 25th fringe in an interference pattern due to two narrow slits separated by 0.25 millimeter and illuminated by light of wavelength 600 nanometer. The distance between the slit and the screen is 1 meter. Means solution. So here solution given. Calculate the distance between 15th and 25th fringe means x2 minus x1 is equal to question mark. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 fringes ಅನ್ನು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜು 15th ಫ್ರಿಂಜು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಬಂದು 25th ಫ್ರಿಂಜು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 25th ಫ್ರಿಂಜು ಮತ್ತು 15th ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? x2 - x1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ n1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 15 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ n2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 25. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಯಾವುದು? 15th. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಯಾವುದು? 25th ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್. ಅವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? x2 - x1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ so here due to two narrow slits separated by 0.25 millimeter, so in interference pattern due to two narrow slits, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ d is equal to 0.25 millimeter, so that is equal to 0. So here small d is equal to 0.25 into 10 power -3 ಮೀಟರ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ತೊಗೊತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.25 ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್. ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರಿಂದ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಪವರ್ -3 ಇಂಟು m. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ illuminated by a light of wavelength. Light of wavelength means, so here lambda is equal to 600 nanometer. So nanometer is converted into meter means 600 into 10 power -9 meter. So this is your wavelength of light used. Then the distance between the slit and the screen is capital D is equal to 1 meter. Clear? So this is your given data. Clear? Now we know that the distance from central fringe to the 15th fringe or 25th fringe is x is equal to n lambda d ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಿಂದ 15th ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 25th ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ 3rd ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 4th ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಏನು ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ದೆನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ between 15th and 25th fringes is x2 minus x1 is equal to n2 lambda d divided by small d minus n1 lambda d divided by small d. Clear? So x ಅಂದರೆ n lambda d divided by d ಬರುತ್ತೆ. x1 means x1 is equal to n1 lambda d divided by small d. x2 means x2 is equal to n2 lambda d divided by d. But in Young double slit experiment, distance between slit and the screen remains constant, distance between two slits remains constant, and wavelength of light used also remains constant. Only changes distance between center fringe to the 15th fringe and center fringe to the 25th fringe. Clear? So ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತು ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ x2 minus x1 is equal to n2 lambda d divided by small d minus n1 lambda d divided by small d. Clear? Now substituting this data from here. So x2 is nothing but x2 minus x1 is equal to, so here n2 value becomes 25. So in these two terms, lambda d divided by d is nothing but common term. So here n2 minus n1 of lambda d divided by small d. So here x2 minus x1 is equal to, n2 means 25 minus n1 value 50 into wavelength of light used is 600 into 10 power -9 into distance between slit and the screen is 1 meter by small d value 0.25 into 10 power -3. Clear? So here 25 minus 5 becomes 15 becomes 10. 10 into 600 becomes 6000 into 1. 6,000 into 1 becomes 6,000 into 10 power -9 by 0.25 into 10 power -3. Clear? Now 6,000 divided by 0.25 ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 24,000 into 10 power -9 plus 3 becomes plus -3 ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ plus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus -9 plus 3 becomes, so here 10 power minus 6. Clear? So 24,000 into 10 power minus 6. This is your answer. Clear? Then SI unit is meter. X2 minus X1 of X1 is equal to value 24,000 into 10 power minus 6 meter or 24,000 micrometer. So this is our answer. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about third problem. Now let us discuss about third problem. So this is third problem. In a double slit experiment, the distance between slit is solution given. The distance between slits means small d is equal to 1.2 millimeter. That is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1.2 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is converted into meter means multiply with 10 power minus 3. Clear? Then and the screen is means distance between slit and the screen is capital D is equal to 0.75 ಮೀಟರ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಿಂದ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 0.75 ಮೀಟರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.75 ಮೀಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಲಿಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಈಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಿಂದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜ್ವರೆಗೂ ಇರೋ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 1.8 millimeter, that is equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 meter. Clear? Then calculate the wavelength of light used. Means lambda is equal to question mark. What will be the distance of the fifth fringe from the center of the fringe? Means again x5 is equal to question mark where n is equal to 5. Clear? So this is our given data. So we know that the distance of bright fringe from the center of the screen is x is equal to n lambda d divided by small d. Clear? So here x value becomes 1.8 into 10 power minus 3 milli, 10 power minus 3 is equal to, so here n value means so here the distance of the fifth bright fringe means n is equal to 5 into wavelength of light used is question mark, then lambda into d value 0.75 by small d value 1.2 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? Now cross multiplication 1.8. So here, so 1.8 into 1.2 becomes 2.16 into 10 power minus 3 becomes minus 6 is equal to, so here again 5 into 0.75 becomes 3.75 into lambda. Clear? Then lambda is equal to 2.16 into 10 power minus 6, so here minus 6 by 3.75. So here 2.16 divided by 3.75 becomes 0. Lambda is equal to 0.576 into 10 power minus 6. Clear? So again lambda is equal to 0.576 micrometer. Clear? So this is our wavelength of light used. Clear? ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದೆನ್ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0.576 micrometer. Clear? The next case, so here, so what will be the distance? So here what will be the distance of the fifth dark fringe from the center of the screen? So your distance between two slits remains constant, this value remains constant. Again distance between slit and screen also remains constant. Only n is equal to dark fringe means n is equal to 5, then x 5 is equal to question mark. We know that the distance of dark fringe from the central fringe is x5 is equal to 2n minus 1 of lambda d divided by d. lambda d divided by 2d. So this is our formula. x5 is equal to n minus 1 of lambda d divided by small d. So here x5 is equal to 2 into fifth means 5 minus 1 of lambda means, so here wavelength of light used is 0.576 into 10 power minus 6 into, so d value 0.75 by 2 into small d value 1.2 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? So here 5 into 2 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 becomes 9. So 9 into 0.576 into 0.75 we are getting ಅಂದರೆ 5 2s are 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 9. 9 into 0.576 into 0.75 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ we are getting 3.888 into 10 power. So here minus 6 by, so here 2 into 1.2. So 2 into 1.2 becomes 2.4 into 10 power minus 3. Clear? Then 3.888 divided by 2.4 becomes, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3.88 divided by 2.4 ಜೊತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so we are getting 1.62 into 10 power. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 3ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಹೋದರೆ we are getting minus 3. Clear? So x5 is equal to 1.62 into 10 power minus 3 or 1.62 millimeter. So this is our answer. Distance of fifth dark fringe from the center of the screen is x5 is equal to 1.62 millimeter. Clear? Next class we are going to discuss about some more problems. Okay, thank you.